Today we will see chapter number 12, areas related to circles from NCERT of class 10th. Before doing exercise number 12.1, we will revise areas and circumference of circle and semicircle. Let me draw one circle. In this circle, I am denoting few points. O as center, P on the circumference of a circle. I will take two more points on the circumference of a circle. They are A and B. Now, as we know that distance between center to any point on the circumference of a circle is called radius. So let me join. Joined OP, then OA, then OB. So in this figure there are three radius. What are those? OA equals to OB equals to OP equals to radius, are nothing but radius. As we know that distance between any 2 points on the circumference of a circle is called chord. And also we know that diameter is the longest chord which is passing through center. From this figure, AB is the longest chord which is passing through center. So mathematically we can write like this: AB equals to OA plus OB, that is equal to R plus R, that is equal to 2R. Therefore diameter equals to D for diameter, 2 times of radius. Similarly we can say radius equal to half of diameter. Okay, next we will see area of circle. We know that area of circle equals to pi r square, r nothing but radius, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. I think all of you know what is circumference. Circumference nothing but length of boundary. Next, area of semicircle is equal to half of the area of circle, that is pi r square by 2. Next, circumference of semicircle is equal to half of the circumference of circle. That means this much on this much curve, half of the curve. Length of this curve will be pi r. Some of you may get doubt how I got pi r. I am showing you here. 2 pi r by 2, 2 cancel, then we get pi r. That's why I wrote here length of this curve is pi r. Next, perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle is equal to, see, let me take one figure. For suppose this is semicircle, just now I told you length of this curve is pi r and this length is diameter. Perimeter nothing but length of boundary. So that is equal to pi r plus d. Pi r plus d. Okay, I will tell you one shortcut formula also for perimeter of semicircle. As we know, pi value 22 by 7 r and diameter 2 times of radius. Find the LCM. 7 22r plus 14r. So we get here 36 by 7 multiplied by r. Okay, this is also one of the shortcut formula to find out the perimeter of semicircle. Now we will see what is meant by ring. Ring nothing but area of shaded portion in the given concentric circles. I hope everyone knows what is meant by concentric. Concentric nothing but two or more than two circles with the same center and different radius. For example, I am taking two circles with the same center and different radius. In this figure, I am taking center as O and radius of smaller circle R and big circle capital R. Okay, now I am shading this portion. We want this portion. So how can we find area of this shaded? Okay, area of ring nothing but area of shaded portion from this figure. Therefore, area of ring or area of shaded is equal to area of outer circle minus area of in circle. Okay, so what is the radius of outer circle? Capital R. So we can write pi capital R square. And what is the radius of inner circle? Small r. So we can write pi small r square. Now what is the common factor here? Pi is the common factor. So pi taken outside, so we can write capital R square minus small r square. So here we can apply identity. A square minus b square equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. Try to apply the identity so that calculation will be more easier. So pi multiply capital R plus small r multiply capital R minus small r square units. I think all of you know area will be in square units. In next video we will solve exercise number 12.1.